Hey everybody, Larry here with MarineMax in Jacksonville, and today we're going to go over this 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This is an amazing boat packed with tons of technology, great fun for your family and entertainment. We're going to start real quickly with the power plants in the back. We've got twin 350 horsepower Mercury engines that are on the joystick piloting system, which we're going to go over. You can see this great sun pad in the back here for laying out and catching some rays. And outside the hard top here is an electric shade that's going to come out and cover the rear sun pad on this boat, give you a little extra shade. As we step into the boat, you're going to notice a nice freshwater shower for rinsing off when you're at the sandbar. We've got a freshwater sink right here and an entertainment center that includes a prep station and a refrigerator, keeping your drinks and food cold for the day. As you can see, we've got some spacious seating in here, and the port side companion seat or bench rotates to face into the cockpit. And when we're underway, we can just quickly turn this around, locks in place, and we're ready to go. This boat has a full marine head with overboard discharge, holding tank, and a freshwater sink down below. And when we get to the helm here, we're going to take a look at all the technology that's packed into this boat, including the joystick piloting system to allow you to move this boat literally sideways to get into a tight slip at the dock. You've got your Mercury digital controls, complete with auto trim, which is going to trim the engines for you to make the boat the most efficient it can possibly be and give you the best possible performance. Up at the bow, you've got spacious seating for all your guests, tables in both the bow and in the cockpit. Got a nice windshield that you can close off this area along with the door and get out of the weather. If you'd like to take a sea trial on this boat and experience what makes this an extremely perfect family-friendly boat with tons of performance, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thanks.